Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best dash cam review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Viofo A119 V3 Dash Cam. The A119 V3 records in Quad HD Plus 2560 by 1600 at 30 frames per second, which gives you sharper detail than standard 1080 pixel. It uses the Sony IMX335 StarVis sensor, and that's one of the biggest reasons this camera stands out, especially for night driving. Viofo's Super Night Vision helps capture brighter and clearer footage in low-light situations, making it easier to see road details that cheaper cameras often miss. It also features a 7-element lens, f1.6 aperture and a 140-degree wide-angle view, which gives a good balance between wide road coverage and image quality without too much distortion. Another major advantage is the advanced parking mode. You get options like buffered parking mode, which can save footage from before and after an event, plus time-lapse recording and low bitrate recording for longer surveillance while parked. For full parking mode support, you'll need the optional hardwire kit. The A119 V3 also supports an optional GPS logger, so you can record speed, route and time data directly into your video files. It supports up to 256 GB microSD cards, includes a G sensor for emergency locking and uses a supercapacitor, which is more reliable than a regular battery in hot and cold weather. Overall, the Viofo A119 V3 is a great choice for anyone who wants a dependable, discreet dash cam with sharp 2K video, excellent night performance and useful parking features. Number 4. Rettiger F9 Dash Cam. The headline feature here is 4K front recording powered by the Sony IMX335 sensor with an f1.55 aperture. That combination helps deliver sharper footage, better light capture and clearer road details, which is especially useful for reading license plates and signs. This Rettiger also includes Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can easily transfer videos to your phone through the app and keep track of your driving route and location. That can be very helpful if you ever need supporting evidence after an incident. The F9 comes with loop recording, which automatically overwrites old footage when the memory card is full, so the camera keeps recording without interruption. It also supports up to 256 GB of external storage. Another useful feature is parking mode with 48-hour time-lapse recording, allowing the camera to keep an eye on your car even when it's parked. There's also collision sensing, so important clips can be locked when an impact is detected. The dash cam uses a supercapacitor instead of a standard battery, which improves durability and makes it more reliable in extreme hot or cold weather. It also includes smart voice broadcast, giving alerts while you drive without needing to look away from the road. Overall, the Rettiger F9 looks like a good option for drivers who want 4K video quality, GPS, app connectivity, loop recording and parking surveillance in a compact package. Number 3. ASDOM M550 Pro Dash Cam. The first big highlight is its 3-channel recording capability. The front camera can record in 4K Ultra HD, and depending on the setup, you can also use rear and interior cameras for broader coverage. That makes it a great choice not only for regular drivers but also for rideshare users or anyone who wants to monitor both inside and outside the vehicle. Another strong feature is the built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Compared to standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it offers much faster transfer speeds, making it easier to download footage to your phone through the app. The M550 Pro also comes with built-in GPS, which records your speed, route, latitude and longitude. That can be very useful if you ever need driving evidence after an incident. The ASDOM includes IR night vision, helping the camera capture clearer footage in low-light conditions. It also features 24-hour parking monitor with 2 modes, collision detection and time-lapse recording, so your car stays protected even when parked. You also get a 3.19-inch IPS screen, loop recording, G-sensor, support for up to 512 GB microSD cards and a supercapacitor design, which is safer and more reliable than traditional battery-based dash cams, especially in hot or cold weather. Overall, the ASDOM M550 Pro looks like a solid dash cam for anyone who wants 4K video, multi-channel flexibility, GPS, fast Wi-Fi and dependable parking protection. Number 2. DJI Mola N3 Pro Dash Cam. The Mola N3 Pro records in 2.5K resolution at 2560 by 1600 on the front camera, while the rear camera captures 1080 pixel footage with its f1.8 aperture, 5-glass lens and DJI's Real Cube image technology. It aims to deliver brighter, sharper and more vivid footage, especially during daytime driving. This dash cam comes with front and rear cameras, giving you better coverage of both the road ahead and behind. The front camera has a 140-degree wide field of view, which is wide enough to capture multiple lanes without creating too much fisheye distortion. Another interesting feature is Sense Reality 2.0, which combines GPS, G-sensor and a 3-axis gyroscope to create a more immersive driving data experience for users who enjoy reviewing their driving footage. That adds a fun extra layer. It supports loop recording, works with microSD cards up to 512 GB and offers 24/7 parking monitoring when used with the optional hardwire kit. It also uses a supercapacitor, which is more durable and safer than a traditional battery, especially in extreme temperatures. Overall, the DJI Mola N3 Pro looks like a good option for drivers who want a reliable dual-camera dash cam with sharp 2.5K recording, smart app features, parking protection, and solid day-to-day usability. Number 1. 70mm A119 4K Dash Cam. The biggest highlight is the dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors up front. You get a Sony IMX678 sensor recording in 4K HDR, and at the rear, an optional Sony IMX662 sensor records in 1080 pixel HDR. That means better detail, more balanced exposure and clearer footage during both day and night driving. The 70mm also added its MyColor Vivid Plus solution, ROI algorithm, Night Owl Vision and Lumi Vision, which help capture vivid colors, reduce glare and improve visibility even in very dark parking situations. The A119 includes built-in GPS and ADAS. It can log your speed, time and route, while also giving alerts like lane departure, forward collision, pedestrian and cyclist warnings. You also get Wi-Fi 6, voice control, loop recording, parking monitor, AI motion detection and even 4G support with the optional hardwire kit, so you can live stream your car, get app alerts, and track your vehicle remotely. The dash cam supports up to 512 GB microSD cards, uses H.265 video compression, has a 146-degree viewing angle and records at 30 frames per second. Overall, the 70mm A119 looks like a strong choice for anyone who wants a feature-packed, high-resolution dash cam with solid night vision, smart parking features and reliable long-term performance.